Right.
Okay.
Go
Hi,
ahead.
good morning. I'm Chelsea. I'm one of the members in the group of interpretability of a supervised learning-based trading strategy. Our team is sponsored by the Mr. Heron Testa, and our team members are Chatali, me, Sam, Juni, and Sishan. And here is the agenda today. I will go over the project introduction, our methodology, and my contribution on the explainer dashboard and the accomplishment. And our project is going to build a framework of the explainable AI tools to solve the black. And it will run the framework using the data sets from different industries like finance, automotive, and healthcare. And then the main problems in the project is the black box issue in the machine learning. The black box issue is a particular model may end up with a certain result. However, we won't understand why the model has ended up with certain result. So that's the need for the interpretability. While trying to interpret why a model produces a certain result, and machine learning is used in extensive key industries nowadays. It's used in healthcare, automotive, finance, and more. It's quite important to trust the process of the machine learning. So to test the interpretability, we created a base model. This problem statement is basically trying to predict the price of Bitcoin depending on the number of features. We've used the historical prices of Bitcoin from the past 10 years, and the feature engineering has been performed in the same metrics such as the index like ROC, EMA being calculated. And then to post all of this, the algorithm that needs to be tested for interpretability would be the random forest. And here is our methodology. To check the interpretability, we utilize the explainable AI tools like SHAP, EL5, LIME, and each of these methods is being studied by one or two members of our group. And I am responsible for another one. This is the explainer dashboard. Explainer dashboard is used to build interactive dashboards that allows you to investigate the SHAP values, permutations, importances, interaction effects, and partial dependence plots, and more. And it's quite different from the normal dashboard. Explainer dashboard takes input data and then does all the calculations of the permutations, feature importances, the random index, the contribution plot. It will calculate automatically. And the normal dashboard will just give you the comprehensive overview of the different sources. And then here is my code, part of my code for the explainer dashboard. After do the data preparation, I built the model for the explainer dashboard and run the explainer dashboard. And here is the video for what I get. Previously, it shows the feature importances, which indicate the characteristics with the greatest impact on the power of the model. And then it will give the classification stats like the accuracy, precision, and it also gives the precision plot, classification plot. This all assess the performance of the model. And then
And
it
how
also
accurate is it? Okay, so you're going to talk about that. Okay.
Okay, and it also predict the selling, the probability of selling or buying on a specific day, and also the contribution table plot, and also it gives the summary feature dependence and feature interactions based on the Shapley values. And it also gives the decision trees.
Okay, so does it show me that it works? Show me the end result.
Okay. Oh, I've already run it on my collab here. Oh, okay. Can I to show you the? Oh, I will
So
run at
basically
the
the goal
beginning.
is to what? The ultimate goal is to show, so you'll go to a trader and you'll tell him what?
Also, for explainer dashboard, I will utilize the result from the base model, and it will automatically calculate the feature importances of the base model to investigate the results of to interpret the results of the base model.
Meaning what? What do you mean by that? Interpretability. What is interpretability?
To know how the algorithm behind the base model actually.
And why is this important?
And we could see the important feature that affect the base model from the explainer dashboard.
And how can this be used? Who could use something like that?
Actually, this graph, like the ROC, AUC, it's actually for the data scientist, because this plot only shows the model like the blue line, which is going to tends to this corner is performs the perfect model. So these plots are for the data science who work on it. So it needs more work to interpret into
Interpretability.
the.
I mean, at the end of the day, I know you're not finished and you're still an undergraduate, so I don't want to pester too much with that. But basically, what you want to find out is ultimately you want to go to a trader, right? That's trading those instruments, Bitcoin or whatever, and demonstrate that the machine learning is not just a black box. You want to explain what's going on inside. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that the end of the presentation?
And something a little at the end. Sorry. And in the future, I'm going to integrate the explainer dashboard with the result from the explainer AI tools for the interpretability of the base model. And our team is going to expand the base data set to include data sets from different industries. That's all. Thank you.
So what did you like about this project?
Actually, I didn't know what am I doing at the beginning. After this semester, I did some work in computer science 106 or 160. It's about the introduction of data science. I integrate some knowledge like the ROC graph to get to realize what I am get from this explainer dashboard. So
you learned something from the project that helped you actually with your coursework.
Yeah, that's really helpful.
Yeah, well, that's the idea, right? You're supposed to learn from these projects in addition to your coursework, right? So you learn twice as much.
Yeah.
As opposed to do the coursework first and then do the project. It's easier. What you did is more complicated because you were exposed to things that you had no idea about. That's the idea. And that's how you learn stuff on these projects.